Hi, welcome. Simon here, and hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be doing a battery replacement on an iPhone 6s Plus. Alright, so this is the iPhone 6s Plus. First, you need to go ahead and turn off the phone. The next step is to get yourself a Pentalobe P2. The Pentalobe P2, which is the 0.8, the size of the screwdriver. Remove the two screws. Once you have removed the two screws, go ahead and get yourself a metal prying tool. We are going to pry open the screen. Now the phone is water resistant, meaning that there is a adhesive that is protecting the phone. So this prying tool here is to go ahead and cut that adhesive so that we can get into the battery. So what I'm doing right now is going in between that phone and that the glass. So for the iPhone 6s Plus, you need to open the phone outright, just like that, flipping it away from the body. Now get yourself a Phillips screwdriver. We'll be removing the screws here. Alright, there are 5 screws in total. Remove the bracket, and now you can get a plastic prying tool and pry open that connector. Those connectors, just like Lego, they snap onto the phone. To remove it, simply just disconnect them. Okay. Once we have removed the screen, put the screen on the side. Now we're going to remove the 2 screws. Remove the bracket, disconnect that cable that is for the battery. Okay, once you have disconnected that cable, the next step is to go ahead and pull that double-sided adhesive tape which is connected to the phone. So we need to pull this one out. Try not to break it, which I did, because once you break it, it's very hard to get back in. So let me try the middle part. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the final tape here. Just take your time when you're pulling the thing off. It's supposed to stretch really far. Okay, I gotta come back and finish up the first one, which I broke it earlier. I think the middle might not be full, meaning some of them are still left inside the battery, so I need to clean that off. Okay, let's see where I am right now. I know that the first one, the last one came off pretty good. It looks like the middle one did not come off all the way. Yeah, I do see the middle one is still there. So I'm going to use my tweezer, go underneath that, if you can see that little white line right there. Oops, it felt more inside. Okay, that would be the first one is still there, so let me see if I can get in. Okay, if you can see, try to get in there. Give it a couple twists. Okay, that is the first string. All right, perfect. So the first one is removed. I gotta focus on the middle part. That's the reason why I said try not to break it. If you break it, it will be quite difficult to get back in there. So just take your time when you pull. Don't have to pull fast. Just be gentle when you pull. All right. I got you. Okay, so that would be the final. And there you have it. I just removed the iPhone 6s battery. That is the replacement part of this. What I like to do is to get this double-sided tape. Okay. I'm going to tape a little bit here. And some on this part. If you notice, I stick some of the a little tape above the battery, so for the next person who needs to remove that double-sided tape, they know where to pull it from. So always leave a little bit tape where people know how where the tape is going to be, so they can pull it and remove it the next time. All right, so what I like to do now is to go ahead and connect the battery, because I need to position the battery on the phone. So make sure that it's all pushed in all the way. So push it as close as possible to the right side of it. Okay, press it down a little bit, make sure it's taped down, and now you can disconnect the battery. Okay, let's go ahead and reconnect the camera. They are just like Lego. You need to position them in the right place. The connector, just make sure that you connect them properly. You don't have to use force to push it down. As long as you connect them in the correct place, they should snap back in very easily. All right, once it's down, get the bracket back on. Once you have all the 5 screws installed, reconnect the battery. Okay, have the bracket go back in there, and do not forget the 2 screws. Okay, now the next step is to align the one on the top. Make sure you align them properly. Press it down, crunch it. There you have it. Turn on the phone. What happened? The new battery doesn't have the juice? Probably. Oh well, I'm just going to charge it up. That's pretty much it. So if you do find the video is helpful, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. Yeah, so that is the start to end on how to replace the iPhone 6s Plus battery. Alright, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.